Water. Water, which is one of the most common substances, is a good solvent for very many substances. Hence, it is called a universal solvent. Our consideration will be on hardness of water, purification of water, chemical properties, and the taste. Example 1. Which of the following is not a method of removing hardness? A. Boiling. B. Addition of a calculated amount of quick lime. C. Addition of washing soda. D. Addition of aqueous ammonia. Let's consider them one after the other. A. Boiling. Boiling is a method of removing hardness of water. So it is used to remove temporary hard water by converting the soluble calcium salt to an insoluble salt. B. Addition of a calculated amount of quick lime. This is the wrong option. Quick lime, when added to water, even increases hardness. It is slaked lime that removes hardness. So B is wrong. Instead of quick lime, it should be slaked lime. C. Addition of washing soda. Washing soda is able to remove both temporary and permanent hardness in water. So it's a correct option. D. Addition of aqueous ammonia. Addition of aqueous ammonia is Clark's method. It's able to remove hardness. So the only method here that is not able to remove hardness is B. Addition of a calculated amount of quick lime. Let's consider a second example. Which of the following methods can remove both temporary and permanent hardness in water? The options are A. Distillation. B. Boiling. C. Addition of a calculated amount of slaked lime. D. Addition of aqueous ammonia. Let's consider these options one after the other. A. Distillation. A is the correct option. When water is either temporarily hard or permanently hard, distillation removes hardness, because whatever is responsible for the hardness cannot vaporize. And so distillation is able to get rid of both temporary and permanent hardness. B. Boiling. Boiling is only able to remove temporary hardness but not permanent hardness. C. Addition of calculated amount of slaked lime. This method is able to remove only temporary hardness. It has nothing to do with permanent hardness. D. Addition of aqueous ammonia. Aqueous ammonia is also able to remove temporary hardness but not permanent hardness. So the only method that is capable of removing both temporary and permanent hardness is distillation. And so the correct option is A. Example 3. Water for tank supply is chlorinated to make it free from, the options are A. Bad odor. B. Temporary hardness. C. Bacteria. D. Permanent hardness. Let's consider the options one after the other. A. Bad odor. Addition of chlorine does not combat bad odor. Even chlorine even gives an odor that is not pleasant. So A is a wrong option. B. Temporary hardness. Of all the methods of removing temporary hardness, chlorination is not one, and so B is wrong. C. Bacteria. Yes, bacteria in water cannot survive the odor of chlorine, and so the correct option is C. D. Permanent hardness. Chlorine has nothing to do with removal of permanent hardness in water, so the only correct option is C. It helps to kill bacteria in water. Example 4. The various methods of purifying water does not include A. Coagulation, B. Precipitation, C. Sedimentation, D. disinfection. Let's consider the options one after the other. A, coagulation. Yes, coagulation is a method. It helps to make the suspended particles to settle. B, precipitation. Precipitation is not a method of purifying water. There's nothing that should be precipitated. Instead, we can say filtration and not precipitation. So this is a wrong option. C, sedimentation. Yes, suspended particles are meant to sediment, that's to settle down. D, disinfection. Yes, we add a substance like chlorine so as to disinfect, so as to kill germs. So the only correct option is B, precipitation. Example 5. Which of the following metal do not attack cold water or steam? The options are A, magnesium, B, aluminium, C, copper, D, iron. Let's consider the options now one after the other. Magnesium. Magnesium is a moderately reactive metal, and so it attacks steam. Aluminium is also moderately reactive, it attacks steam. Copper is least reactive. It does not attack cold water or steam. In short, it is the correct option. D, iron is a moderately reactive metal. It attacks steam. So the only correct option is C. Copper have nothing to do with cold water or steam. Example 6. Water turns anhydrous cobalt 2 chloride from blue to the options. A, green, B, pink, C, white, D, yellow. Let's now consider each of the options. A, green. Green color have nothing to do with addition of cobalt 2 chloride to water. B, pink. Yes. In short, there are only two tests for water. Addition of copper 2 chloride and addition of copper 2 tetraoxide 6. It turns from blue to pink is the correct option. C, white. White has nothing to do with addition of copper 2 chloride to water. D, yellow. There is no such thing as a yellow color. So the only possible option is B. Which of the following non-metals react with water? A, oxygen, C, chlorine, I beg your pardon, B, chlorine, C, sulfur, and D, nitrogen. Let's consider them one after the other. A, oxygen. Oxygen does not react with water. Oxygen have nothing to do with water. B, chlorine. Yes, chlorine is one of the non-metals that reacts with water. Chlorine reacts with water to give rise to two acids, ozochlorate 1 acid and hydrochloric acid. C, sulfur. No, sulfur does not react with water. D, nitrogen. Nitrogen have nothing to do with water. The only correct option is B.